Hey guys, this is Mark here from Amity. Just going to go over today some of the features of this new little toolkit that we made up for diagnosing ADC issues and AHC issues on our defoliators and harvesters. The kits we've made up, I'll show you what the contents of the kit are. This is our old voltage sensor that we've had for a couple years now. Most everybody has this, but it'd be good to throw in along with this kit. But what the kit pertains is we came up with a little battery pack and a cable that we can actually use for applying voltage to our coils on our ADC valve and actually forcing it to make a reaction. We also added just a little jumper harness that we can put in between the harness and the valve, the coil on the valve, and there's actually a little LED light in here. So if you've got something that's acting up every once in a while and you're wondering if it's a voltage issue, we can actually tag this little harness in between and we can see if the light's coming on or if it's not. What else the kit contains is we've made up long leads. This one here is for checking the voltage on the potentiometer on the wands. Plugs right in to a multimeter so we can read signal voltage and supplied voltage. So we can ensure we just plug this between the harness and the potentiometer and we should be good. This harness here is actually made to plug in between the rear cylinders and the harness, so we could also read our voltages there. This harness here, our ends are a little different. We use this on our defoliators. On the AHC, it just has a little different plug on it. And our last harness here is up at the ADC valve. We can actually plug in, and I guess it's this harness. This harness over here is for the defoliator. We can actually plug in between our coil and the harness, measure our voltage from supplied and signal. Also, we made up a little cheat sheet, just a little guide saying what each of the harnesses are for, and we have voltages on there so we know what we're shooting for and what to expect. We're putting it all together in this nice little kit here, and we're offering it to service parts at $600 a kit. We're going to have some instructional videos on some of these harnesses that will attach to the service bulletin. So if there's any question, you can refer to these videos, but I think you guys will find that it's very simple to use and very beneficial. Thanks.